Welcome to the refined world where science meets soul. Witness the birth of a masterpiece, starting with the purest botanical wax blocks prepared in our modern laboratory. In this sanctuary of scent, every ingredient is selected for its purity and performance, ensuring a clean burn that respects both the environment and your senses today. The heart of our candles lies in these dark glass vessels, holding the concentrated essence of nature's finest botanicals, waiting to be unlocked by the warmth of flame. Each fragrance is a complex architectural build, designed by master perfumers to create an olfactory journey that lingers beautifully in the air of your most sacred spaces. Automation meets artistry as our robotic systems begin the journey, handling the raw materials with a level of precision that human hands simply cannot replicate consistently. The steady rhythm of the assembly line reflects our commitment to excellence, moving each component toward a transformation that will eventually bring light and warmth to homes. Even the smallest detail, the wick, undergoes rigorous laser inspection. We ensure every fiber is perfectly braided to provide a steady, flicker-free flame for hours of enjoyment. This is the backbone of the candle. By combining natural cotton with a paper core, we guarantee a robust structure that supports the perfect melt pool every time. Phase 1 begins as the solid wax meets the heat. Watch as the rigid blocks surrender to the temperature, transitioning into a fluid state of absolute clarity. The transformation is hypnotic. Under strictly controlled temperatures, the wax loses its form, becoming a transparent canvas ready to be infused with our signature aromatic compositions. Purity is our obsession. This molten state allows us to ensure that every drop is free from imperfections, creating the foundation for a luxury product of highest caliber. Now, the soul is added. A precise infusion of essential oils enters the flow, creating a mesmerizing vortex of scent and liquid gold that captivates the eye. The chemistry of fragrance requires perfect timing. We introduce the oils at the exact moment the wax is most receptive, ensuring a deep and lasting scent throw. Steady mechanical agitation ensures that every molecule of fragrance is evenly distributed throughout the batch. There are no weak spots, only a consistent experience from start to finish. This is the thermal blending phase, where heat and motion work in harmony to create a symphony of scent that will later fill your room with peace. Looking down into the reservoir, one can see the future of luxury. A vast sea of golden liquid, perfectly tempered and ready for the next stage of creation. Thermal consistency is maintained through a network of insulated pipes. We monitor every fraction of a degree to prevent any degradation of the delicate fragrance notes within. Precision is our language. Every batch is tracked by advanced sensors, guaranteeing that the thermal blending phase meets our exacting standards for every single candle we produce. The environment is as sterile as a laboratory, reflecting the high-end nature of the product. Here, the art of the candle maker meets the power of technology. Before they can hold our precious wax, the vessels must be prepared. High-pressure air purges any microscopic particles from the amber glass, ensuring a flawless interior surface. The amber hue isn't just for aesthetics. It protects the delicate oils from light, preserving the fragrance's integrity long after the candle has left our modern factory. Precision wicking begins now. Each wick base is dipped into a specialized high-heat adhesive, designed to remain firm even when the candle reaches its final burn. In just half a second, the robot places the wick with sub-millimeter accuracy. A centered wick is crucial for an even burn and preventing the glass from overheating. The bond is immediate and permanent. This foundation ensures that the wick stays in place throughout the entire life of the candle, providing safety and reliability always. Alignment is checked and double-checked. These mechanical guides ensure that every wick is perfectly vertical, a small detail that makes a massive difference in the final quality. A parade of precision moves down the line. Our optical sensors scan every jar, rejecting any that fall short of our standard for perfect wick placement today. Technology acts as our quality guardian. This phase ensures that the structural integrity of the candle is set before a single drop of wax is ever poured. The dance of the machines is a testament to modern engineering. Efficiency and accuracy work hand in hand to prepare the vessels for their golden cargo very soon. Centering clips are the final touch in this phase, locking the wicks into a state of absolute stillness, ready to face the warm embrace of liquid wax. The stage is set. A sea of empty vessels stands ready, each a clean slate waiting for the fragrant symphony that is about to be poured inside. Now comes the golden flow. Watch in slow motion as the liquid wax, rich with essential oils, pours into the vessel with a grace that is breathtaking. The flow is laminar and perfect. By controlling the pour speed and temperature, we eliminate air bubbles, ensuring a solid and uniform candle body from the base. There is a quiet beauty in the rising tide of wax. It fills the space with a warm glow, carrying the promise of many peaceful nights to come. Every jar is filled to the exact same milligram. Our automated filling system ensures perfection in every unit, maintaining the premium standard our customers expect from us. Efficiency meets elegance in our multi-nozzle system. It creates a satisfying visual harmony as 12 candles are born at once, identical in their beauty and volume. The heart of the factory beats with the sound of pistons and valves. This mechanical rhythm is what allows us to produce art at a grand scale. The journey continues. The freshly poured candles glide away, their liquid centers still shimmering and vibrating slightly as they move toward the cooling phase of production. At this stage, the candle is still a liquid dream. It requires time and a controlled environment to find its final solid form of premium excellence. Even the smallest movement is controlled. Our conveyor systems are designed to be ultra-smooth, preventing any spills or uneven surfaces during this delicate transition period. The scale of our operation is matched only by our attention to detail. In this vast hall, thousands of candles are being crafted with individual care today. Human expertise oversees every digital command. Our technicians ensure that the golden flow remains consistent, adjusting parameters in real time to maintain the highest quality possible. Notice the cleanliness of the pour. No drips, no mess. This surgical precision ensures that the final product is as beautiful as it is fragrant and functional. There is an inherent artistry in the materials themselves. The liquid wax behaves like light, capturing the essence of the factory's energy in every golden reflection. The candles now enter the cooling tunnel. This is where the magic of crystallization begins, under conditions of strictly controlled temperature and humidity for perfect results. Step into the quiet zone. Here, the heat of the pour is slowly drawn away, allowing the wax to bond and solidify into its final premium state. Witness the silence of crystallization. In this time-lapse, the liquid wax transforms, turning into a smooth, creamy solid that feels as soft as silk to touch. This slow cooling prevents cracks and sinkholes. By managing the thermal descent, we ensure the wax adheres perfectly to the glass and maintains a level top. A gentle breeze of filtered air assists the process. It's not just about cold. It's about the right speed of cooling to maintain a flawless finish. The result is a surface of stunning purity. The matte finish of our plant-based wax is a hallmark of its quality, free from paraffin and synthetic additives. Invisible eyes watch over the cooling. Infrared sensors track the thermal signature of every candle, ensuring they have reached the optimal temperature for the next processing stage. Data meets design. The laser scan confirms that each surface is perfectly flat, a critical step before the final aesthetic touches are applied by our machines. Success is measured in microns. Every batch that passes this stage is a step closer to becoming a part of someone's home and personal ritual. The stillness here is profound. After the energy of the pour, the candles rest, their structure now stabilized and their fragrance locked deep within the wax. Quality you can see through the glass. The perfect adhesion is a result of our specialized wax blend and our meticulous control over the cooling environment. The wick remains perfectly centered, frozen in time by the solidified wax. It is now ready to be trimmed to the ideal length for burning. With the wax now firm, the supports are removed. The candle has found its strength and no longer needs external help to maintain its perfect form. Transitioning from creation to refinement, the final phase of our journey begins, where the raw product is polished into a true piece of functional art. Precision trimming is essential. We cut every wick to exactly 6 millimeters, the scientifically proven height for the perfect first light and a clean, soot-free burn. A clean cut for a clean start. This small adjustment ensures that when you light your candle for the first time, it performs flawlessly from second one. To achieve a mirror finish, we use a quick flash of heat. This top-off technique smooths out any minor imperfections, leaving a surface as flat as glass. Watch as the surface resets. The result is a flawless, professional finish that reflects the light and speaks to the high-end nature of our artisanal manufacturing. Identity is applied with precision. Our robotic labeling system ensures every sticker is perfectly straight, down to the last millimeter, for a look of absolute luxury. The tactile feel of the paper, the depth of the emboss, these details matter. They tell the story of a brand that values quality in every single touch point. Final quality control is a moment of truth. We illuminate every candle, searching for any internal flaws that might have escaped the sensor's digital gaze earlier. Even with our advanced machines, the human eye remains the ultimate judge. A final hand inspection guarantees that only perfection leaves our facility for your home, a unified front of excellence. These candles are now complete. carrying the combined efforts of mechanical precision and human passion within their amber glass walls. Protection meets presentation. Our packaging is designed to cradle the candle securely, ensuring it arrives at your doorstep in the same pristine condition it left. The final seal of quality, a mark of authenticity that promises an unparalleled experience of scent, light, and luxury from the very first moment of unboxing. From a block of wax to a masterpiece of design, the journey is complete, and a new one is about to begin in the homes of our customers. The moment of activation. Lighting a candle is a ritual of peace, a way to signal to your mind that it is finally time to rest. Experience the culmination of our craft. The steady flame, the immediate scent throw, and the warm ambiance that only a perfectly made candle can provide. Watch the melt pool expand evenly, a testament to our scented wick and balanced wax blend. It is the perfect harmony of heat and high-quality material. Transform your space into a sanctuary. Our candles are more than just light. They are an atmosphere, a mood, and a quiet symphony for your senses. A symphony of scent and precision. We thank you for joining us on this journey through the art and science of premium candle making today. Crafted for excellence, designed for your peace. Thank you for watching our story of precision. We hope you find your light with us soon.